Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. I'm excited to share an amazing opportunity with you. A top-notch Forex trading broker offering a $30 no deposit bonus for 2024. But before diving into how you can claim this fantastic bonus, I have a quick request. Please watch this video in full to understand all the details, including the important terms and conditions. Let's get started on this incredible journey. Robotforex $30 no deposit Forex bonus 2024. Welcome bonus 30 United States dollars. Register and receive initial funds for trading. Initial funds for new clients of the company who verified their personal information. Withdraw the profit from trading using both your own and extra funds. No restrictions. Welcome bonus funds aren't written off from your account even during drawdown. How to receive welcome bonus. Open an account. Bonus funds are available for cent and standard MT4, MT5 based accounts with USD or EUR as a base currency. Verify your account. Pass the simple verification procedure of your identity, address, and phone number in your members area. Deposit funds to your account. Deposit at least 10 United States dollars to your account via a bank card. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.